Welcome back, fourth graders. Today is Wednesday. What we'll be doing today is we will be going through a new lesson. So here's today's agenda. We'll do our warm-up, then review the expectations and procedures, have our community circle and check in, and then do our math lesson. And we may not get to stations today. We'll see, and then we'll do our science. So for today, what you'll need is your pencils, your 2 notebooks, one for math, one for science, and your colored pencil or crayon. All right, so here's your warm-up for today. Please pause the video and work those problems out. So your first problem is write these numbers in order from least to greatest. So I want to see what you do on that. So you have these 4 numbers that you need to put in order from least to greatest. And then in this one, you are to draw a circle that will stand for each coin that you see. And then write the value of that coin inside of it. Then tell what is the total amount of money that you see here. So pause the video and get your warm-up done. And when you're finished, you're going to actually do it on the next screen for the draw it.